Ang isang na-notice ko when we were researching, we tried to compare, no? Sabi ko sa mga staff, establish a pattern. Yung kanyang pronouncements about China, about the West Philippine Sea, talagang swak na swak do sa website, official website ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the People's Republic of China. So what does that indicate or tell you? Di ba? So kung gano'n ang kanyang position, pinaparot niya lang ba yung position ng China regarding the West Philippine Sea? Yes, unsettling, to say the least, because this is national security that we're talking about. Especially na medyo delikado or delicate yung situation. Parang in the advent of the Iran war, diba? Parang iniisip ng marami baka magka World War III. Diba? Delikado yan. Pag nag-escalate yan, at kumalat yan pa sa Pacific region, medyo kawawa naman tayo. And tayo, as a very weak country militarily, huwag na nating katungan pa, huwag nating dagdagan.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.